Coach, could you recap the day against number 8 Kentucky?
Well, I'm really proud of the way our kids competed. If you look in that first inning, we spotted them 5 runs. And, you know, the one thing we can guarantee with the young pitching staff is that we'll be consistently consistent. You know, Faddock gave us a great start last week against number 15 South Al. And honestly, we came out and we were serving BP up to them. And, you know, they were putting the ball in play and they got those runs early. And then, you know, we came to Jordan and Jordan did a phenomenal job. I couldn't be any more proud of what she did coming in. And, you know, I know Faddock's capable. I know all of our pitchers are capable. But again, we're a young pitching staff. I think Chan was doing a great job with them, being patient and getting them better. But I'm so proud after digging that hole for us to compete the way that we did. And then Jordan gave us a chance to be in the ball game and stay in it, shutting them down. I would have liked more quality at bats. I think KG and Z did a phenomenal job. Those are 2 heck of athletes at the top of the lineup, and they really put a lot of pressure on defenses. And you know, KG made a nice grab at the wall, just doing big things for us. We're getting better. And so I'm really proud of the things that they're doing at the top of the lineup. I'm proud of how we fought. It could have been very easy for us to just get down 5-0 and to just let that game roll and get away from us. And so I am pleased with this group. It was a beautiful day. The fans came out. We appreciate all the fans supporting. What a great way to start the game. President Kopp comes out, throws the first pitch. He's always been so supportive of our program, and he does a wonderful job with this university. And then Dot Hicks. You can't say enough about her and the legacy that she's leaving. A nice surprise with her endowing that scholarship. I can't be any more thankful for what she does and what she has done for young women to have the opportunities that we have. What more could you want? I really enjoyed watching my kids compete today.
Thank you.
Thank you.